Din lilla läggist.
Luna. Buddy. She doesn't know I'm here yet. Hi, baby. I'm sorry.
We need a name for this kind of weather, when we can't feel or see anything but the birds.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
So sweet and so sleepy.
Bagel.
Huh?
Bagel.
Huh?
Pumpkin. Can you turn around? Pumpkin, look at me. Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
First time on this luxury cat ride. Not that nice.
Trop drôle. Excuse me.
Thumb.
So I'm looking after the dog at the moment. She goes upstairs, but she can't get down and watch this. Are you coming?
What?
How I love you is said in cat language.
I'm catching you like this.
That is a big freaking kitty. That scared me.
But I want you to know that I value each of your opinions, even when they're wrong.
Odin, what are you doing? Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed? Huh? Is that it? Oh my god. 捡个猫，家人们，这也太好看了吧！他想跟我回家。
Señores, tengan cuidado. Una bola de felicidad se acerca a la velocidad de la luz.
Hello. Ew. What intonation?